Hi, it's Amy, your Mac mentor here with another tech tip. Today I wanted to show you location-based reminders, which is possibly an underrated feature of the iPhone, but I use it a lot and I think it's really great. So a location-based reminder is exactly what it sounds like. It's a reminder that can remind you based on your location. So in order for that to work, you do need to have your location services turned on so your phone knows where you are. And then it also has to know your particular addresses. So if you want it to recognize things like my home or my work, then you want to put those into your contact card on the phone. Once that is all set up, then you can set your reminders. And it's also really simple to use Siri to set up your reminders as well. So here are a couple of examples that you can try for your location-based reminders. Remind me to call Steve when I get to work.
Okay, I'll remind you when you arrive at work.
Remind me to take out the trash when I get home.
Okay, I'll remind you when you arrive at home.
Remind me to get cat food when I get to the grocery store.
Which grocery store? Tap the one you want. Okay, I'll remind you when you arrive at King's Supers.
Okay, so now I have 3 reminders based on my location. And one of the cool tricks I like about this is if I'm going to remind myself to pick up something at a store, but maybe I'm not necessarily going to the store, but I want to be reminded if I get in the vicinity of that area, you can actually expand the radius of your reminder. So this way, if I get anywhere within this radius of the store, then I will see that reminder and it'll remind me to go to the store. You can also make your reminders recurring. So for things like taking out the trash, we want to do that every single week. And I will get that reminder every week when I get home on that day. I hope that was helpful and thanks for watching. If you need more assistance, go to themacspa.com and book an appointment or leave your questions below. See you next time.